that glass clear, bright, smooth skin, just like your favorite K-pop idols or glowing celebrities. This is your 7-day natural skincare routine, step by step, to help you get that radiant, flawless glass skin at home. Let's get started. Step 1. Wash your hands before touching your face. Always wash your hands with soap and water. This removes bacteria, dirt, and oils from your fingers that can transfer onto your face and cause breakouts. It's the first and most underrated step to keeping your skin clean, clear, and safe. Now that your hands are fresh, your face is ready. Step 2. Cleanse your face. Use a gentle cleanser that matches your skin type and rinse your face with cold water. Cold water helps tighten pores while cleansing removes all the dirt, sweat, and makeup from your skin. This step creates a fresh, clean base for all the next treatments to work better. Once your skin is clean, it's time to open the door for deeper care. Step 3. Steam your face. Lean over a bowl of hot water and cover your head with a towel for a few minutes. The steam opens your pores and softens blackheads and impurities. This helps your skin absorb products better, like a mini facial spa at home. Now that the pores are open, let's clear them out. Step 4. Remove blackheads with Vaseline. Apply a thick layer of Vaseline to areas with blackheads, like your nose. Cover it with plastic wrap and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Then gently wipe using a tissue or cotton pad. This melts and loosens blackheads without harming the skin barrier. Once the surface is clean, let's smooth it even more. Step 5. Exfoliate dead skin. Use a soft scrub made with natural ingredients like rice flour plus honey to brighten and fight bacteria, or sugar plus olive oil for gentle polishing. Exfoliating clears away dead skin cells, revealing a smoother and more even layer underneath. Don't scrub too hard. Be gentle and kind to your skin. With your skin renewed, now it's time to feed it nutrients. Step 6. Apply a homemade face mask. Choose one of these natural face masks. 1. Cooked rice plus milk blended for soft, bright skin. 2. Honey plus aloe vera plus milk to deeply hydrate and calm the skin. 3. Honey plus turmeric to fade dark spots and fight acne. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with cold water. Each of these masks is full of vitamins, healing power, and glow-boosting magic. And now, we seal the goodness in. Step 7. Ice cubing. Take cucumber ice cubes and gently glide them across your skin. This step closes your pores, reduces puffiness, and lifts your skin. It's refreshing and instantly gives your face a tight, fresh, radiant look. Let's prep your skin to absorb moisture even better. Step 8. Apply toner. Use a natural toner like aloe vera water for soothing and balancing, rice water for brightening and tightening. Pour a little into your hands or on a cotton pad and tap it gently into your skin. This brings your skin's pH back to balance and helps the next step soak in deeper. Now we lock it all in. Step 9. Moisturize. Choose what works best for you. Coconut oil for deep nourishment, Vaseline for locking in moisture, or baby oil for lightweight hydration. Massage it in gently. This keeps your skin soft, protected, and glowing all day or night. Now let's bring the face to life. Step 10. Face massage or gua sha. Using oil or Vaseline, gently massage your face with your hands or a gua sha tool. Focus on lifting your jawline, under eye area, and cheeks. This boosts blood flow, slims your face, and gives you that natural sculpted glow, like K-pop idols on camera. And during the day, Step 11. Sunscreen. Always finish your morning routine with sunscreen. Even indoors, UV rays can damage and age the skin. Protecting your glow is just as important as creating it, but skin also needs care from within. Step 12. Hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Add lemon or cucumber for extra skin cleansing power. Hydration helps flush out toxins and gives your skin a healthy, natural glow from the inside out. And don't forget this next step. Step 13. Sleep. Make sure you're getting at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep. When you sleep, your skin goes into repair mode, healing damage and building collagen. Good sleep means fewer dark circles, smoother texture, and natural glow. And to wrap it up beautifully, Step 14. Night skincare routine. At night, repeat your routine without sunscreen. Keep your masks light, your massages soft, and your heart calm. You can apply a sleeping mask or extra Vaseline under your eyes for deep repair. Wake up glowing every morning. Final reminder, stick to this routine every day for 7 days and you'll notice a major difference. Clearer skin, brighter glow, smoother texture, that radiant glass skin, just like your favorite idols and celebrities.